Welcome to Tensor Tech's Professional Product Training Session. At Tensor Tech, we provide on-site demonstrations and user training at our facility or during conferences on an irregular basis. In addition to hardware specification training, we offer comprehensive software interface training. Our user-friendly software includes configuration, monitoring, and data analysis tools, allowing users to control and modify the operation of our products seamlessly. For those unable to attend on-site sessions, remote meetings are easily arranged, especially for clients using our integrated ADCS series. All our products are manufactured and tested in compliance with ISO 14641-2015 Clean Rooms Class 7 standards. During the training sessions, clients are invited into our clean room production area for detailed hardware training and operational demonstrations. This includes instruction on integrating our products into systems such as a tuna can or a CubeSat, with on-site integration guidance provided. Furthermore, with our ADCS 10M, we will demonstrate how to establish communication through the software interface and showcase the various operating modes in the cleanroom production area, ensuring clients fully understand the control procedures. To guarantee protection, Tensor Tech products are packaged using a multi-layer design and secured in robust Pelican cases. Each product is thoroughly tested for functionality and robustness, with all results documented in detailed reports. After the training session, the clients will receive not only the products but also all essential documentation, ensuring they are fully equipped to utilize our technology effectively. We are rapidly accumulating experience alongside our partners and are committed to assisting in building the future. Together, we go further.